wake up and look toward the sky, the first thing I thank God for is my mama. See, every day I wake up and look toward the sky, the first thing I thank God for is my mama. Got her. Every time I think I know it all, I'm set in place. Now that I got my own child, I sit and think. I can't picture a day she wakes up being face to face. I'm a dedication from my mama, watched every day display. I don't know what you want and get it, don't settle for nothing different. I remember being in the shelter, now she's out here hitting 6 figures. I can never express what it meant when my mama told me don't believe shit just because it's written in the magazine. Had to be the biggest building block of my mind, cause everything is second guessed and trusted in my life. Couldn't ask for a better clan. See, mom's queen, do what I want is the motto, but she contrived in the world better, abide by it. Your mind is gold, I hope my daughter has a mind just like it. Strong enough to live a life and slick enough to analyze it. My love for mom is way past my capacity to write, but I'm trying, cause every day I wake up and look toward the sky, the first thing I thank God for is my mama. Cause every day I wake up and look toward the sky, the first thing I thank God for is my mama. Got her. Good job, girlie.